Alright, let's talk about something that could completely change the way we think about tech. You know how, for years, the iPhone has basically owned the personal device game? Well, rumor has it that Apple is working on something so different, it could actually make the iPhone obsolete. Picture this. Instead of a screen you stare at all day, imagine a tiny gadget, about the size of a large coin, that just lives on your shirt. This is what people are calling the AI Pin. And yeah, it sounds like science fiction, but from what I've heard, it's very real, and Apple's been at it for years. So why go in this post-smartphone direction? Turns out the smartphone market is kinda tapped out. Most new updates are just little tweaks, not big leaps. Apple seems to want that next big thing, the next iPhone moment. But this time the goal is to make technology almost invisible. Here's how it would work. The AI Pin is all about voice and context. Instead of picking up your phone every 5 seconds, you just talk. Ask it anything, and it answers. Need directions? Want to text a friend? Wondering what you're looking at? You just say it out loud. The device listens, understands, and responds. No hands, no screens, no distractions. What's wild is the prototype details. We're talking about a small metal module with a camera, microphones, and even a projector. That means it can recognize objects, hear what you say, and, get this, project an interface onto your hand if you actually need a screen. Most of the time though, it just works in the background. Some people call this ambient computing, and it's all about tech that's there when you need it, but otherwise stays out of your way. The use cases are endless. Instantly look up info, translate a conversation in real time, call a cab, or find a restaurant, just by asking. And because it's Apple, of course it'll probably play nice with your iPhone, your Mac, your watch. Maybe it starts as an accessory, but over time it could shift your whole relationship with personal tech. Now, let's be real, the tech isn't perfect yet. Shrinking all that power into such a tiny package, not easy. Battery life, heat, and miniaturization are big challenges. But if anyone's going to pull it off, it's probably Apple. Bottom line, this AI Pin could be the start of a new era. Breaking away from phones and moving to a world where your devices just blend into the background. It might feel weird now, but remember, that's how the iPhone sounded when it first dropped. So, is the iPhone on its way out? Maybe not overnight. But if this takes off, we might look back and wonder how we ever managed with just a phone in our pocket.